أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. اللهم لا سهل ما جعلته سهلا، وأنت تجعل الحزن إن شئت سهلا. Lesson 1.5 Scientific Notation. Before we start scientific notation, we must know this example. Scientific notation from 1 to less than 10. So can we write 1? Okay. 2 until 9.9, it's okay. Times 10 power n. Okay. All these number, it's okay. But we can't write 10 or 11 or 12. Okay. This is the first thing. The second thing, if the number this is standard form, this is standard, as we usually write, this is scientific. Okay, so start with one number only, and then if the number like this one times 10 power 8. Why? Because there is from here, if there is no point, so the point is here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we must put it at 4 point. So how many times we move it? We move it like this side. How many times? How many step? It is 8 step. So 10 power 8. Okay, if the number like written like that's one, second one. So we must move this point until we reach 3. Because we say the scientific start with 1, not start with 0. So let's move this point. 1 2 3 4 until here 5. How many step? 5 step. If we move like this step, we must write 10 power minus 5. Okay, so this 10, it must be there. 10, it must be there. Then count how many step and write it. If move it like this one, this is minus, and that one is it positive. Let's see our questions. Write each in standard form. So we didn't want as 10 times. Okay, this is scientific because it starts with only one digit and times 10 power 3. So it is time, it's there, 10 is there, so it is scientific. We want as standard. So as we said, if the standard must be right 3 times 3 steps, so we will move the 0 like that. 1 2 3 here. So 1.6 1 2 3 must be here. So here, what shall we put in the empty space? We put it 0 0. So the answer 1600. Okay, let's see the other one. Second one, 1.1.49. we say because the time minus 7, so must start with 0. How many steps? This is steps. How many steps? 7 steps. Okay, we must move 7 steps. Let's move 7 steps. We have the point here, so we want to start with 0, so we will move like this side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and put the point here. Here 0. What shall we put in the space? Put 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Where is the 7? The 7 one? This one, move it 1. So we have how many 0? 6 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 4 9. Put it same number. Okay, we move like this is this side. Move it the point. Okay, let's see question number 3. Calculator screen shows a number in scientific notation. They wrote like that one. Write this number in standard form. So what that mean? 8.3 e minus 6 same as 8.3 times 10 power minus 6. Okay, this is E mean times. So this is scientific notation. They want in standard form. So the standard form, we say because the power is negative, so must the number start with 0. So how many steps? 6 steps. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the 0 here? So 0 point, we miss 1. So how many zeros? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 3. Okay? Move it this side. Let's see the next one. Same. First of all, we write this as scientific. So it is means 7 times 10 power 11. We say E mean 10. Okay? E mean times 10. E means times 10. E times 10. Okay. So this is 1. How can we write as standard form? Standard form, that means delete that stone. Delete it. Okay? So we have how many steps? 11 steps. As we say, if we didn't have any point, so the point is here. At the last in your right hand. Okay? Here the point. So we have this 1 point here. So we must move 11 steps. So there is no number here. So move it like that, 11 steps. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11 steps. So each 3 you will see this comma. This is comma, not point. So no matter if you write it or you didn't write it. Only to read the number. Put it to read the number correctly. Okay? So this is comma. It's no matter written or not. Write each number in scientific. Now we write scientific. So number times 10 power number. Okay? So must write number times 10 power number. Okay, let's start. Here. So the number not start with 0. So we must know that's 10 power positive number. 10 power positive number. So let's see. There is no point. I say this is comma to read it the number correctly. So there is no point. Sorry, the point. If there is no point, we imagine there is here this point. So let's move. We must move until we reach here, right? Until we reach here. Because 2 point must be 1 digit before the point. So after the point. 1 digit after the point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So how many number? 9. Write it 9. Okay? And put it same this 2.204. Okay? Let's see the second one. Number 6. There is the point here. There is the point. They want scientific. So we must know because start with 0. So 10 times 10 power negative. Because it starts with 0. So times 10 power negative. The point must be here, right? 1 digit after the point. So until here. Let's see how many steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 steps. So write 8. 8 steps. So write 8. Then put it same number 6.42. Don't miss the steps. 8 steps. So write it here. Okay? So the number, the power is steps. Here, 9 steps. We write, this is 9 step. Write it here, power. Okay? please be focused when we write from scientific to standard, from question 1 to 2, like question 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then we must know how to come back from standard to scientific now. Okay, so please focus. Okay. Let's see question number 7. A common race is a 5 kilo race where runner travel 5 kilometers. Is it more appropriate to report the distance as 5 kilometers or as 5 times 10 power 6 millimeter? Which one is appropriate, this one or this one? Explain your reason. Let's see. What the meaning 5 times 10 power 6 millimeters? You must know that from millimeter to kilometer, 10 power 6. So when you write 5, so 5 times 10 power 6 millimeter, it is equal 5 kilometer. So which one is proper? Write this one or that one. So this one is so long. It is so long. So the appropriate is 5 kilometer. Okay, because it's same. So which one is better? This one, because it's too short. This is too long. Okay. Let's see question number 8. The population of Florida was recently recorded 20,612,439 people. Write an estimate in scientific notation. So write in scientific notation and estimate, يعني تقريبا. So first write the as estimate. 20,612,439. It is equal 20 million. You say this is comma, no matter write it or not write it. This is same. Okay. We want as scientific. So scientific must start with only one digit, right? So I will write scientific 2. There is no point, right? So when we say imagine the point is here. So move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steps. So times 10 power 7. Why it's positive? Because the number starts with number. So times 10 power 7. So that's our answer. 7 step power 7. Okay. Question number 9. The diameter of grain of sand is 0.0024 inch. Write an estimation in scientific notation for the diameter. They write an estimation. So at the beginning, we will write 0.024 estimate. So this is approximate to 0.002. Okay, so we want to write in scientific. Okay, so must have times 10 power number. Okay, it's 0.002. It is equal because start with 0, so times 10 power negative. We say we must write one digit after the point, so move it this 1, 2 and 3 must be there. So 2 point, right or not same, times 10 power minus 3. Okay, this is the point, right or not right, it's same. Okay, 2 times 10 power minus 3. Okay, last question. The mass of a plant's earth is about kilograms. When this number is written in standard notation, they want to write in standard notation. How many zeros are in the number? How many zeros? So 5.98 times 10 power 24. So because it's 24, so must move right in standard, move the zero, the point here, 1 2, and still have 22, right? Because it's 24 steps. So how many zeros still we have? We have 22 zeros. How? Move it 1 2, so it will be 5.598. Okay, and now we 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and we will count until 22 0. How we know 22? Because it's 24 and we moved 1 2 here, so it's 2 steps, so still have 22 steps, so 22 zeros. We finished lesson 1.5.